Tucked away in the cosmic expanse, the Andromeda Galaxy, our cosmic neighbor, calls to us from the depths of space. Join us on a magnificent journey as we explore the mysteries of Andromeda, uncovering the secrets that this galaxy conceals. Our adventure begins on the Intrepid Explorer, a state-of-the-art spacecraft built for the challenges of interstellar travel. Here, our intrepid crew is ready to push the boundaries of human exploration. As we leave Earth behind, our crew sets their sights on the distant reaches of the Andromeda Galaxy. Along our route, we encounter cosmic wonders, from the luminous nebulae to the dazzling supernovae. These celestial events challenge our scientific knowledge and inspire awe at the universe's immense beauty. After a long journey through the cosmic void, we arrive at our destination, the Andromeda Galaxy. Our mission to explore its vast territories begins, aiming to unravel its mysteries and comprehend its structure. Throughout our expedition, we make discoveries that reshape our understanding of the cosmos and prompt us to rethink our place in this vast universe. As our exploration approaches its end, we reflect on the profound implications of our discoveries and the endless enigmas that the universe still has in store for us to uncover. Thus, our voyage to the Andromeda Galaxy comes to an end, but our pursuit of knowledge persists, driving us towards new cosmic frontiers.